Hi there everyone, my name is Valentina. I'm the Inventory and Manufacturing Manager here at CO2 Monitoring. I'm in charge of making sure that all our products, such as our Aerosphere primary system and our newest edition, our level indication unit, are manufacturing well and tested for your safety. Today is Manufacturing Day. This day is set by the Manufacturing Institute to highlight the reality and future of careers like mine. In order to celebrate, I will be showing you around our lovely manufacturing plant here in Vegas. Let's start the tour. Welcome to warehouse number 2. In this warehouse, we stock all the components for our products. So let me show you one. This is the screen that we use for our CO2 primary systems. And then, let me show you where all the magic happens. Welcome to manufacturing room. There's so many things in here, but I will highlight my favorite parts. Right behind me are machines that place the components onto the PCB board. Here's the oven that secures them in place. Here's the soldering stations. We also have our technicians that work really hard the whole day, soldering even more pieces onto the PCB board. Here's a little sneak peek with our primary units. Here are the casings and plugs that house the inner components. After we finish manufacturing each product, we test it in here, and let me show you the other warehouse that we have. This is warehouse number 1. In this warehouse, we pack all our orders. So right now, we're doing complete kits that consist with a couple signs, a primary, a sensor, and a horn strobe. This is our last warehouse. Here's where we put all our tanks, we refurbish and certify them for you guys. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm so happy to be part of Manufacturing Day. See you next time.